Ladder Genie comes with a standoff. This helps secure your ladder, but also pushes the ladder out the 3/4 of an inch you need for the trolley clearance to get past the eave or the gable of the roof line. It's got 2 sets of tabs. It's got the longer tabs and the shorter tabs. If the rungs don't interfere, you would use the longer tabs. If you find that the longer tabs hit the rungs, use the shorter tabs. So I'm going to take a few minutes and show you how this sets up. It sets up the same on both the gable and the eave of the roof. So you'd set it down and it slides to in between your rails. You would end up pushing the ladder out the 3/4 of an inch, and you secure one side first. Make sure it's nice and tight. Secure the other side. Always good to use at least 4 fasteners to help make sure you're tied off and everything's nice and solid. You get a rope here, the rope ties off to the rung. You wrap it a couple times, back here, wrap it around, and secure it tightly. Now your ladder can't move, and it's ready for the top unit.